Alright, here's a question. Should travelers request to be tried under common law as opposed to the local law or the local statutes or whatever they say? It's hard for me to have to read every statute and ordinance that the city council makes up for each city. I mean, these city councils go crazy with the laws sometimes. And you could find stark contrasts between cities. I remember when I was stationed in Barksdale Air Force Base, between Barksdale City and Shreveport, there was a bridge that separated them, and in Barksdale, I think they allowed open container alcohol in your car while you're driving, but you cross over that bridge across the river, Shreveport River, and in Shreveport you were not allowed to have an open container of alcohol. Now these are municipal types of offenses, and I can't keep track of all that as a traveler. How do I know? I mean, unless the cops can advise me, at least give me a little bit of a warning ahead of time to that, hey, this is the law, you gotta follow it, type of thing. Okay, like when I was in Shreveport, or when I was in Seaside, they went out of their way to make sure that they were warning me. Alright, I got video of that. They're warning me about the $700 fine if you're caught sleeping in your car, even during the daytime. Alright, because you have to be aware of the infraction for them to cite you. Okay, so either you request common law if they don't advise you before they give you the tickets. Try to go under common law. A lot of Freelanders ask for common law, but they don't really give a reason. They just say, "Oh, I want to be on common law. Just give it to me, whatever." I say give a good reason why you want to be under common law. I mean, if you've been a local in the neighborhood for 30 years, the same area, they kind of expect you that you have read the local ordinances. If you spent all your life in the city, the particular city. All right, but if you're traveling through, it's hard to keep track of how the cities are. Of course, this kind of scares me in that some cities might work towards the singularity of combining all city ordinances into one, kind of like what's done with the UCC, Uniform Commercial Code. Make all the city ordinances the same for every city, so you know what to expect, like it's a McDonald's or something, the McDonaldization of city ordinances. But they haven't done that yet, but it seems like they're working on it, but it's not done yet. And so you need to ask for, I think, common law. I'm not sure if I want to do that at this court. I'll have to see, but it's really that's one of the most attractive things to ask for as what the Freelanders do. It's something to follow. Most of what the Freelanders do, I don't really see how I could apply that to my legal situation and in potential future legal situations. But asking for common law, when I've only been in the city for a few days, I think could be a reasonable request when you're new to that area. And yeah, that's about it. I just want to for my legal problem, try to fight it, and then say, hey, I'll leave the city, no problem. You won't have any other problems with me. I'll just leave, and instead of be the local standing my ground.